Hey,
Have you ever read the back of your laundry detergent?
there's some scary stuff in there.
In this video, we're going to teach you how to use essential oils and soap nuts to make your own liquid laundry detergent. You can be confident that this recipe will work without the use of harsh chemicals.
Let's get started.
So to make this recipe, you will want your Simply Earth recipe box. You'll open it up and find your recipe card. Also bring out those labels. You're also going to be using soap nuts. Now soap nuts are a berry that naturally contains soap. If you wanted, you could take off this label and put this right in your washing machine using a hot wash cycle, and it'll clean your clothes for several washes. But we're going to switch it up into a liquid laundry detergent because this allows us to use these soap berries at any temperature, including cold cycles.
You'll also need your clean and fresh essential oil. And from your kitchen, you'll want to grab water and some vinegar.
Some extra ingredients, if you'd like to add them, are our GeoGuard preservative and our solubilizer. We'll talk about how to use those at the end of this video.
All right, let's get started.
To start, we are going to extract the soap from our soap nuts by putting it in a pan.
And then you'll want to add 2 cups of water and put this on the stove at low heat.
Keep it covered and let it simmer for about 1 hour or until the berries become lighter in color. So we'll put this on our stove and come back when it's ready.
We're back!
So now you can tell it's done. The berries are lighter in color and the water has turned this brownish color and it kind of smells like apple cider vinegar. So what we're gonna do now is strain out those soap nuts and make the rest of our detergent. So now we're gonna pour this mixture through our strainer to get rid of any other little bits of berries. If you end up with some residue from the berries, that's okay. They won't negatively impact your laundry.
The next step in the process is to add your vinegar.
Now we're gonna add 20 drops of our clean and fresh blend. If you were using our natural solubilizer, which is a way to incorporate essential oils throughout a liquid, we would first add a ½ teaspoon and our essential oils separately, stir it up until it becomes a uniform texture before adding it to our detergent. So we've added 20 drops of clean and fresh. If you're not using our solubilizer, you'll just want to shake up your laundry detergent before you put it into your washer. So now we've poured our soap nut liquid laundry soap into a container and labeled it. Recipes with water in them eventually go bad.
So this recipe is a great option to use our new preservative in.
It's called GeoGuard and you'll just add it to your finished recipe and you're good to go.
You'll want to add 2 to 4 tablespoons of your new laundry detergent per load of wash.
So one thing to know about making your own laundry detergent is that its smell on your clothes will not be as strong as traditional laundry detergents. Instead, we're using natural and safe ingredients that will leave your clothes with a light laundered smell. This recipe pairs amazing with our wool dryer balls, so make sure to check those out at simplyearth.com to make your drying experience more efficient, and you can also add a couple drops of essential oils to those wool balls to help scent your laundry.
Thanks for watching. Go to simplyearth.com/box and hit that subscribe now button.
You'll get what you need for this recipe, plus a lot more recipes and access to our essential oil hero course where you can really take charge of taking down toxins in your home with recipes you make using essential oils.
See you later.